friend. I hope you are preparing well for the NEET PG and INICT examination. Here I am going to give you a few questions which are very important. So practice these questions, repeat this video again and again, watch it again and again till you master the questions, so that in case the same questions or related question come in the examination, it will be easy for you. So let us begin. The bitter taste of toxic substance prevents us from its consumption. Which of the following elicits the bitterness? Let us look at the options. A. Aldehyde. B. Amino acids. C. Alkaloids. D. Hydrogen ions. So what do you think is the correct answer? Bitter taste. Let us look what is the correct option. The correct option here appears to be C. Alkaloids. Which is responsible for fetal heart rate acceleration? That is, which is responsible for fetal heart rate acceleration? Let us look at the options. A. Carotid receptor. B. Aortic baroreceptor. C. Autonomic function of brainstem. D. Chemoreceptor. The correct option here is autonomic function of brainstem, that is C. A 27-year-old female patient presented with a thyroid swelling that compresses the nearby structures. Which of the following symptom is not seen in this patient? A. Hoarseness of voice due to recurrent laryngeal nerve compression. B. Dysphagia due to esophagus compression. C. Superior vena cava syndrome. And D. None of the above. So which of the following symptom is not seen in this patient? Remember to read the question carefully. Whenever a negative word is present, you must understand it clearly before jumping into any conclusion. So A. Hoarseness of voice due to recurrent laryngeal nerve compression. B. Dysphagia due to esophagus compression. C. Superior vena cava syndrome. D. None of the above. Let us look at the correct option. It is again C. Superior vena cava syndrome. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. You can also click the link in the description box to join a 7-day free masterclass on INICT and NEET PG. That will be very helpful in boosting your confidence level to move forward. So to get more details, you can click the link in the description box. I wish you all the best. Thank you.